Stage 2. Video to the movie. Having imagined a movie that it worked on a theory too, you are going to record a video and answer the following question. Movie's name: The Truman Show. The plot: begin, not ending. Beginning. Truman was born in a world created under gender cameras that transmit his life led to an audience. Everything was derived by Christoph. Actress Mary Motzbeth, Truman's girlfriend, but he falls in love with an actress called Sylvia. Now, Truman begins to realize that there are many things that do not make sense in his city. Many problems arise. Mary quits the job and Truman's father returns. Ending. Truman goes alone to a basement and there discovers an exit to a secret tunnel. Christoph decides to search for Truman, but he goes on a boat, but collides with the sky on the wall and discovers some stars. Christoph tries to stop him, but Truman goes to the real world. What did you learn about the music? Emotion and intuition help to find a way out of problem. How did the music make you feel? The music made me mindset about Truman's fake life, but I was glad to note that he was able to find his true life. How does the music relate to the academic program you are studying? Truman looked for a solution to get out of the life. Industrial engineering does the same, looking for solutions to problems in an efficient way. Another ending for the movie could be Truman leaving the set, damages some line cards, and damages the plates. Thank you.